Monopoly is a classic board game that has been enjoyed by people of all ages for over a century. While it may seem like just a simple game, there are several valuable wealth lessons that can be learned from playing Monopoly. In this video, I will discuss some of the valuable lessons that you can learn from playing Monopoly. But before we dive into the topic, hello and welcome back to our channel, The Wealth Shack. If you're new here, please like and subscribe, and if already subscribed, thank you for your continued support. On this channel, we are helping hardworking people like you to get more out of your hard-earned money by showing you how to use your money in the most effective way. With that being said, let's dive into the video. Here are some lessons that you can learn from Monopoly. 1. The winners in life own all the assets. Winners in life own assets. What do investors such as Grant Cardone, Bill Gates, and Donald Trump all have in common? They all own cash-flowing assets in the form of real estate. This correlates to Monopoly. The players that win Monopoly take the same approach by buying as much cash-flowing properties as possible. This allows them to reinvest their profits and acquire even more assets, creating a virtuous cycle that can lead to dominance in the game. By not purchasing properties in the game, you are only getting paid when you pass go. This will eventually lead you to become bankrupt. Unfortunately, this is how many people live their lives in real life, only getting paid when they get their paycheck. In real life, owning assets is just as important as it is in Monopoly. Owning assets can provide a stable source of income and can also appreciate in value over time, creating wealth and financial security. This is why many successful investors focus on acquiring assets such as real estate, stocks, and businesses rather than just accumulating cash. 2. Never put all your eggs in one basket. While the aim of the game is to buy property, if you focus all of your efforts on a single property or a small number of properties, you are putting all your eggs in one basket. This approach can be risky in Monopoly, just as it can be in real life. If you have all your money tied up in a single property, you leave yourself vulnerable to unexpected events or changes in the market. For example, if you invest heavily in a property and then land on an opponent's property that has a high rent, you may find yourself struggling to pay the rent and may have to mortgage your property or sell it at a loss. To avoid this risk, it's important to diversify your portfolio in Monopoly, just as you would in real life. Instead of focusing on a single property, it's a good idea to acquire a range of different properties that are spread out across the board. By doing this, you reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. In addition to diversifying your property holdings, it's also a good idea to keep a reserve of cash on hand in Monopoly. This can help you avoid having to mortgage your properties or sell them at a loss if you run into financial trouble. By keeping a reserve of cash, you give yourself the flexibility to make strategic moves and take advantage of opportunities that arise. 3. Money management. The third lesson that you can learn from Monopoly is the importance of financial management. In Monopoly, you are responsible for managing your money, making investments, and paying off debts. You need to be careful about how you spend your money and make sure that you have enough cash on hand to cover your expenses. By learning how to manage your money effectively in Monopoly, you can develop important financial skills that can help you in the real world. 4. Think strategically. Another lesson that you can learn from Monopoly is the importance of strategic thinking. In order to be successful in Monopoly, you need to think strategically about your moves and decisions. You need to consider factors such as the value of properties, the cost of rent, and the potential for future growth. By thinking strategically, you can make better decisions that can help you win the game. And this also applies to real life. Being able to think 2 steps ahead will always benefit you in the long run. 5. Negotiation. The fifth lesson that you can learn from Monopoly is the importance of negotiation. In order to be successful in Monopoly, you need to be able to negotiate with other players. You need to be able to make deals and trades that are beneficial to both parties. By learning how to negotiate effectively in Monopoly, you can develop important communication skills that can help you in the real world. 6. Importance of patience. The sixth lesson that you can learn from Monopoly is the importance of patience. Monopoly is a game that requires patience and persistence. You need to be able to wait for the right opportunities to arise and make calculated moves that can help you win the game. By learning how to be patient in Monopoly, you can develop important life skills that can help you in many different areas of your life. 7. Importance of risk management. The seventh and final lesson that you can learn from Monopoly is the importance of risk management. In Monopoly, you need to be able to take risks in order to succeed. However, you also need to be careful not to take on too much risk and lose everything. By learning how to manage risk effectively in Monopoly, you can develop important skills that can help you in the real world, such as in business or investing. In conclusion, Monopoly is more than just a game. It's a valuable learning tool that can teach you important lessons about strategic thinking, financial management, negotiation, patience, and risk management. By playing Monopoly and applying these lessons to your real life, you can develop important skills and improve your chances of success in many different areas of your life. That is it for today. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this.